Hi students, today we are going to learn geometry for standard 10th, that is your SSC, mensuration, chapter number 7, mensuration, practice set 7.1. This chapter is totally based on formula. I have already shown you all the formula in my last lecture. So please, before doing this exercise, go through all that formula very well. Now, let's see the first sum. Find the volume of a cone if the radius of its base is 1.5 centimeter and its perpendicular height is 5 centimeter. Perpendicular height means straight height, which makes a degree of 90. Okay, so 90 degree angle. So here we start with what is given. What is given to you? Radius is 1.5 centimeter and perpendicular height means h. H is 5 centimeter. We have to find out. What we have to find out? We want to find out the volume of a cone. So here, what is the volume of a cone? Formula is 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3, what is the value of pi? 22/7. What is the value of radius? Radius is 1.5 twice. And what is the height? 5 centimeter. Here in this, we have to find out the cancellation. After cancellation, we have to find out the value. So जैसे हमारा cancellation हो जाए तो हमें आंसर मिल जाएगा. But here, this is, first of all, I want to remove the decimal point, and to remove the decimal point, after decimal point there is a 1 digit, so I will put 10 here. Then again, here the 5. So let's do the cancellation and find out the answer. So first 3 ones are 3, 5s are 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10. Then 2 ones are and 2 11s are 2 11s are 22. Okay, here still some possibilities there, so we are dividing it. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10. So these values we got it. Once again I show you. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10. 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are 22. And this is your 5 ones are and 5 2s are 10. So हमें cancellation के बाद numerator में जो value बची हमें उस पर focus करना है. So 11 into 15 upon 7 into 2. So please multiply. What is the answer? Here we are getting, let's see. So 11 into 15. Okay, 5 ones are 5. Then 5 ones are 5 again. 1 ones are 1 and 1 ones are 1. So here 5, 5 plus 1, 6 and 1. So we got it here 165. And 7 2s are 14. There's one easy trick. When any number you want to multiply, this is a Vedic maths trick. Okay, so please remember, just for your knowledge, if you want to multiply this 15 by 11 or 11 by 15, but any number if it is by 11, then you can easily do it. See, I will write first 1 and 5. This is just for your understanding purpose, how to do calculation very fast when 11 is there. Okay, so जब भी किसी नंबर को हमें 11 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो आप इजीली इसमें वैदिक मैथ से अप्लाई कर सकते हो. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, you have to write the first number and last number as it is. Then in the middle we have to add up and write the, okay, you got here answer 165. So this is a very easy trick. So multiply by any number. Okay, so किसी भी नंबर को अगर हमें 11 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, you can apply this trick. Now we have to divide 165 by 14. So please here the first one 14, you should know the table of 14. So 14 ones are 14, 2 remains, again 14 ones are 14, because 14 twos are 28 is not possible. How much remains? Now 1, and here also 1. Now put a decimal point. Here 14, 6 are 84, 14 7s are 98. Okay, so 14 7s are 98 and 14 8s are 112. So 14 7s are 98. How much remains? 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay, and this is 10 minus 9 is 1. So 12 remains. 120. One more 0 we have taken. Now again 14. Okay, 14 7s are 98, 14 8s are 112. So 120 minus 112, 8 remains. Now again 14 5s are 70. So 10 remains. More than sufficient 3 digits after decimal point. So we got here 11.785. So whenever you find the third digit is 5 or more than 5, then we have to add up 1 to this second digit. So our answer is 11.79, and here we apply the approximation sign. This is the sign of approximation. Okay, and your answer, this is a volume. We have to find out the volume. So volume is always in a cubic. Okay, and this is all the measurements are given in centimeter. So cubic centimeter. So your final answer is volume of a cone is 11.79 cubic centimeter. Okay, so once again I just want to tell you, whenever after decimal point, if your third digit is 5 or more than 5, we add up 1 to the second digit and we remove this value. So 5 को बाद में हमें भूल जाना है, हमें 8 को क्या करना है? 9. So 11.79, this is the sign of approximation. This is an exact sign, so here we just change it. So approximate 11.79 cubic centimeter. So now let's start with the second sum. These are the easy trick for Vedic maths. I have written VM stands for Vedic maths. So any number, if you multiply it by 11, you can easily find out. Okay, you just write the 15. If I want to multiply 15 by 11, I will write 1 and 5 in the first and the last term. And in the middle, if I multiply them, I will get my answer as 165. And please know the table. Okay, so you have to do the table of 14 very well. Now we'll move towards the second sum. Our second sum is find the volume of a sphere of diameter 6 centimeter. Find the volume of sphere of diameter 6 centimeter. Now once again it is given. Okay, we have to find out the volume of a sphere. What is given? Given is diameter. Diameter is how much? 6 centimeter. So from that diameter we can easily get the radius. Radius is how much? Half of the diameter. So you can say the half of the diameter, that is 6 upon 2 is equal to 3 centimeter. Now to find volume of sphere. Please remember, in my last lecture I told you all the formula. Okay, in that volume of a sphere, see मैंने वहाँ पे explain किया था कि हेमिस्फीयर का अगर वॉल्यूम 2/3 पाई आर क्यूब है तो स्फीयर के फॉर्मूला को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो तो 2 2 जा 4, 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब, ये आपका स्फीयर का वॉल्यूम, ओके, उसका फॉर्मूला. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ स्फीयर is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi r cube. Now 4/3 pi r cube. In this sum, one more thing which I have to explain you. Please take the value of pi as 3.14 as a correction. Okay. And now, what is the value of pi here? 3.14. We have to take that value. Now what is the radius? Radius is 3. So 3 times I will write 3. Why? Because it is a cube. So now 3 ones are and 3 ones are 3. So rest of the part if you multiply you will get your answer. So 4 multiply by 3.14 into 3 into 3. So let's see. 4 3s are 12, 3s are 36. Rest of the number I will multiply, leaving this 3.14. Okay, I multiply them. So 3.14, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So now you multiply them. 6 4s are 24, 6 1s are 6 plus 2, 8, 6 3s are 18. Now 0, 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4 and 3 3s are 9. Okay, once again 3 4s are 12, then 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4 and 3 3s are 9. Add up them, 4, 8 plus 2, 10, 1 carry, 9 plus 4, 13, 1 carry, 10 plus 1, 11. After 2 digit we have to put a decimal point. So 113.04. Once again, this is also volume. So volume means we will apply cubic and it is in centimeter. So cubic centimeter. So final answer is volume of sphere is 113.04 cubic centimeter. Okay. So this is my rough work. Let's make a part. So I hope it is very clear to you. Volume of a sphere फॉर्मूला क्या है? 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब. ध्यान में रखना इधर डायमीटर दिया है और फॉर्मूला में है रेडियस. तो डायमीटर से रेडियस कैसे निकालना है? मेक इट अ हाफ and you will get your answer. Radius is how much? 3 centimeter. So you can simply divide it. Put the value 4/3. Here, please remember, take a value of pi as 3.14 as a correction in our textbook also. So take a value of pi as 3.14 and then 3 into 3 into 3. So do the cancellation and rest of the number if you multiply, you will get the final answer. So 3.14 into 4, 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. And here, when you multiply 3.14 into 36, you will get the answer as 113.04 cubic centimeter. So your final answer is volume of a sphere is 113.04 cubic centimeter. Okay, now we are moving towards the third sum. Please remember all the formulae very well. And do rough work in your notebook. Everything very well. Third sum is find the total surface area of the cylinder. Find the total surface area of the cylinder if the radius of its base, if the radius of its base is, if the radius of its base is 5 centimeter, the radius of its base is 5 centimeter and height is 40 centimeter and height is 40 centimeter. Now once again, here also you take the value of pi as 3.14. Okay, so find the total surface area of the cylinder if the radius of its base is 5 centimeter and the height is 40 centimeter. Here we have to find out the total surface area. Total surface area of the cylinder. So what is given to you? हमें क्या क्या दिया है? Let's see. Given the radius of its base. So radius is how much? Radius of its base is 5 centimeter and the height is 40 centimeter. Now what we have to find out? हमें क्या find out करना है? हमें find out करना है total surface area of the cylinder. Total surface area of the cylinder. Okay, total surface area of the cylinder का formula क्या? तो please remember, total surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r plus h. Come on, 2 pi r plus h. Now, what is the value of pi? 3.14. What is the radius? Radius is given as 5. And now again, radius is 5. Okay, this is in a bracket and height is 40. So, through BODMAS rule, first of all, you try to add up this, okay, solve this bracket, okay, and solve this first. So here we will see 2 into 3.14 into 5 into 45 and 10 into 45. 45 times are 450. So please multiply now 450. So we can say 450. So we know all that zeros first. Now 5 fours are 20, 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7 and 5 threes are 15. Now 4 fours are 16, 4 ones are 4 plus 1, 5 and 4 threes are 12. We have to add up this 0, 0, 7 plus 6, 13, 1 carry, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 carry, 2 plus 2, 4 and 1. Here we got it. So after 2 digit we have to put a decimal point. So यहाँ पे this 2 zeros, okay, हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इन 2 zero को cancel कर देंगे. After decimal point 0 doesn't have any value. So here 1413. This is what again? Total surface area. Area में हम लोग क्या करते हैं? Square word use करते हैं. This is in a centimeter. So square centimeter. This is 1413 square centimeter. So final answer is total surface area of the cylinder is 1413 square centimeter. So हमने यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला पहले अप्लाई किया. टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द सिलेंडर 2 pi r plus h. उसके बाद हमने वैल्यूज पुट अप की. वैल्यूज में हमने पाई की वैल्यू क्या ली है इस सम में 3.14. So 2 into 3.14 into r is 5 and 5 plus 40 is 45. So now here we multiply 2 5 is 10 into 45 is 450. 450 into 3.14. So multiply करोगे तो आपको आंसर क्या मिलेगा 1413.00 because after 2 digit we put a decimal point. So your final answer is total surface area of the cylinder is 1413 square centimeter. This is area. Please remember area में हम लोग वर्ड क्या यूज करते हैं फाइनल आंसर में स्क्वायर. Okay, meter, centimeter, whatever it is given. In this sum, centimeter is given. So we apply square centimeter. Okay, so now we will move towards the fourth sum. Remember each and every sum. You do it very well. Do multiplication also properly. Write in your rough work. Now let's move for the fourth. Okay, fourth sum. Find the surface area of a sphere. Find the surface area of sphere. Find the surface area of a sphere of radius. Find the surface area of a sphere of radius 7 centimeter. Find the surface area of a sphere of radius 7 centimeter. Now we have to find out the surface area. Okay, in this, what is given here in this sum? Given radius is 7 centimeter, and what we have to find out? Surface area of a sphere. Please remember, जैसा हमने यहाँ पे देखा था लास्ट फॉर्मूला के लेक्चर में, एरिया ऑफ अ सर्कल इज व्हाट? पाई आर स्क्वायर. देन एरिया, okay, please remember area of that is your flat surface, then area of curved surface area of a hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Then total surface area of a hemisphere is 3 pi r square, and surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. So you can easily remember 1, 2, 3, 4. If nothing is there, we will assume 1. So just for your knowledge purpose, so pi r square, this is the flat surface area. Okay, so this is the flat surface area of a hemisphere also you can say, or area of a circle. So that is your pi r square. Now what about this? 2 pi r square. Okay, curved surface area of a hemisphere is 2 pi r square, and total surface area of a hemisphere is 1 plus 2, that is 3 pi r square, and surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. So if half is 2 pi r square, then the complete is 4 pi r square. So this formula we have to apply here. Okay, अभी हमें यहाँ पे formula लिखेंगे. Surface area of a sphere. प्लीज एक बात क्लियर कर दूं, यहाँ पे जरा सब लोग ध्यान रखें कि स्फीयर में कर्व सरफेस, टोटल सरफेस या ओनली सरफेस एरिया, सारी चीजें एक ही है. अगर कोई आपको एग्जाम में पूछता है टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ अ स्फीयर, कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ अ स्फीयर और ओनली सरफेस एरिया ऑफ अ स्फीयर, it is all one and the same. Now pi, what is the value of pi here? We have to take 22 upon 7. There is, okay, so nothing is given, so we will take 22 upon 7. Now what is the radius? It is 7. So please cancel this. Now you multiply them. 4 into 22 into 7, we can say 88 into 7. Now 7 8s are 56. 5 remains. Then again 7 8s are 56 plus 5, 61 square centimeter. This is an area. So 616 square centimeter. Okay, so 7 8s are 56. Again 7 8s are 56 plus this 5, it makes 61. So 616 square centimeter. So final answer is surface area of a sphere is 616 square centimeter. Okay, so this is just a work completely we have done. So for your fourth sum, you can understand, हमने यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला जो इजी वे करके दिया है, प्लीज इसे याद रखना है. एरिया ऑफ अ सर्कल मतलब हेमिस्फीयर का फ्लैट सरफेस, दैट इज योर पाई आर स्क्वायर, वही होता है एरिया ऑफ अ सर्कल. देन कर्व सरफेस ऑफ अ हेमिस्फीयर मींस दिस पार्ट, द राउंड पार्ट, ओके, दैट इज योर 2 pi r square, and the total surface area of a hemisphere is 3 pi r square, and a surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. So अगर ये 2 है तो 2 plus 2 4. Please remember this is for sphere and this is for hemisphere. Okay, now we will move towards the fifth sum. The dimension first and while doing the sum, please remember each and everything, you write it proper way. The dimension of a cuboid are the dimension of a cuboid are 44 centimeter, 21 centimeter and 12 सेंटीमीटर. ये डायमेंशन क्या होता है? क्वेश्चन को रीड करना भी एक आर्ट है. डायमेंशन है, डायमेंशन का मतलब होता है L into B into H, मीन्स योर इट इज गिवन इन दैट वे कि लेंथ पहला क्या होता है, जैसे मैं आपको बोलूंगा. तो यहाँ पे डायमेंशन मीन्स फर्स्ट है आपका लेंथ, दूसरा है ब्रेथ और तीसरा है हाइट. ओके, सो दिस इज योर लेंथ, is your breadth and this is height. Here the dimension of a cuboid are 44 centimeter, 21 centimeter and 12 centimeter. It is melted. It is melted. Melted means हमने उसे पिघला दिया. It is melted and a cone of height and a cone of height 24 centimeter is made. Find the radius of its base. Find radius of its base. See, यहां पे हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? जो हमने मेल्ट किया वो था क्यूबॉइड, और हमने जो न्यूली मेड किया, ओके, सो न्यूली बनाया वो था कोन. सो हमें कोन की रेडियस फाइंड आउट करनी है, उसके बेस की रेडियस. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट इज गिवन टू यू. See here the dimensions of a cuboid. So for cuboid we can say, for cuboid it is given as length is 44 centimeter, breadth is 21 centimeter, height is 12 centimeter, and for cone what is given as? For a cone, okay, height is given as, so here also there is a h, so I will use capital H to segregate it. हमें separate करना पड़ेगा इसके लिए, और हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? Radius. Okay, so we have to find out the radius of its base of the cone. So radius of base of cone. Let's see. अब हमें यहां से आगे इसमें फाइंड आउट करना है कि हम लोग क्या इसमें कर सकते हैं. देखते हैं हम लोग. हमें क्या दिया गया है कि डायमेंशंस जो क्यूबॉइड के थे वही हमने लेके, जो मतलब क्यूबॉइड के आपको डायमेंशंस दे दिए, लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ और हाइट, और हमें क्या करना है? हमने उसे मेल्ट किया और उसमें से क्या बनाया? कोन. सो जब अगर आप कोन बना रहे हो तो वॉल्यूम तो चेंज नहीं होगा, वॉल्यूम विल रिमेन सेम. सिर्फ हमें हाइट दे दी है, तो हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? हमें यहां पे फाइंड आउट करना है उसके रेडियस. सो हियर क्यूबॉइड इज melted and what is made? Cone, and cone is made. Please remember, जब भी मेल्ट करने की बात आए और एक जो यहां पे हमें क्यूबॉइड दिया है, एक फिगर से दूसरे फिगर की बात आए तो समझ लो कि वॉल्यूम होगा. ओके, सो यहां पे इसका मतलब, बिकॉज दैट इज द इनर कैपेसिटी. सो जो हमने पूरे क्यूबॉइड को मेल्ट किया और उसमें से कोन बनाया, तो वॉल्यूम तो चेंज नहीं होगा, वॉल्यूम विल रिमेन सेम. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड is equal to volume of cone. Now you tell me, what is the volume of cuboid? Volume of cuboid formula: length into breadth into height. And what is the volume of cone? Already you have seen 1/3 pi r square h. Which h we will use here? We will use capital H. So I will write here capital H. Okay, purposely we want to separate it, that's why. Okay, now you tell me what is the length? 44, breadth is 21, height is 12. Okay, the value of pi is 22/7, is nothing is given. Now radius we want to find out, and the height of cone is 24. Do one thing, you take all the numbers on the opposite side, it becomes very easy to do the cancellation. तो ये डिनोमिनेटर है, ये क्या हो जाएगा? न्यूमरेटर, और यहाँ पे जो न्यूमरेटर है वो क्या हो जाएंगे? डिनोमिनेटर 1. I am not writing 22 and 24. These are two numerator. So I will write in the denominator. अभी हमें इसे कैंसिल करके रेडियस निकालना है. यहां पे कोई डायरेक्ट कैंसिलेशन? यस, दिस इज 22 ones are 22 twos are, and now 12 ones are and 12 twos are. Still here, this is 21, 3 and 7. So let's see here, auto cancellation, yes, 2 ones are and 2 ones are. So क्या बचा, ये 21 बचा और ये 3 और 7 बचा. So let's see, 21 into 3 into 7 is equal to r square. इसका मतलब हमें यहाँ पे स्क्वायर रूट इसका निकालना होगा. So let's see, हमें ये पता चल रहा है इसका यहाँ पे r square is equal to 21 into 21. Because I want to find out the square root, so I will keep it 21 into 21. Because r square is r into r and 21 into 21. So इसका square root क्या होगा? 21. So here we taking square root on both sides. हमें क्या मिला आंसर? Radius of the base of cone is 21 centimeter. So final answer is radius of base of cone is 21 centimeter. Okay. So ये आपने पूरे सम को ध्यान से देखा. अब आपको वापस एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर दूं. डायमेंशन, जब भी आपको डायमेंशन दिया जाए तो समझ लो ये लेंथ, ब्रेथ और हाइट है. फर्स्ट इज ऑलवेज लेंथ, सेकंड इज ऑलवेज ब्रेथ एंड द थर्ड वन इज हाइट. इट इज मेल्टेड. मेल्टेड मींस हमने उसे पिघला दिया और उसमें से क्या बनाया? कोन. इसका मतलब वॉल्यूम सेम होगा. वॉल्यूम विल नेवर चेंज एंड द कोन ऑफ हाइट इज 24 centimeter. So we make it here. What is given? For cuboid, it is given as length 44 centimeter, breadth 21 centimeter, height is 12 centimeter, and for cone the height is given as 24 centimeter. To separate this, हमने इस h को small में रखा और इसे capital में. So here we want to find out the radius of base of cone. So cuboid is melted and cone is made. So cuboid के volume और cone का volume same होना चाहिए. So volume of cuboid, we got one equation. Volume of cuboid is equal to volume of cone. So here the L into B into H is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. H is here I have written purposely capital. ये formula है volume of cone का और ये formula volume of cuboid. Put the value length, breadth, height 1/3 pi का value 22/7 r square and h is 24. Now to find out this r, हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया? सारे numbers opposite side ले लिए. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? Denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. And now you do the cancellation. 22 ones are, 22 twos are. And here we have seen 12 ones are, 12 twos are. And this 2 is cancelled with this 2. So what remains? 21, 3, 7. I have written here. Here I want to find out the square root. So I have written purposely 3 7s are 21. So 21 into 21 का square root क्या होगा? 21. Taking square root on both the sides, we got the radius of cone as 21 centimeter. So final answer is radius of base of cone is 21 centimeter. Okay. So today we have seen these 5 sums. Please go through all these sums very well. Thank you.